Hey guys, welcome to question MM366 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we've got two events of a sample space, A and B, and it's known that we have these three pieces of information, and I'll come to these in a sec. So the easiest way to deal with questions like this as soon as you see them is to draw a Venn diagram, because it's very, very difficult to visualize what this is talking about if we don't draw something. So let's start with just the piece of information that we have. So the intersect is always going to be the easiest to kind of visualize on a Venn diagram. So the intersect between A and B, which is this bit here in the middle, because remember that the intersect is what's in A that's also in B. And we know that that's equal to 1 in 5, which means that our middle section is equal to 1 in 5. Okay? That's a probability of having that middle bit. Now, we also know that the probability that A union B is equal to 8 on 9. So the total probability of A and B, so these three sections together, is 8 on 9, okay? Now we can't really use that to our advantage yet because we don't know what these bits are here, so we'll come back to that. Now what this bit down the bottom says is that the probability that of A intersect not B is the same as the probability of not A intersect B, okay? So A intersect not B is this bit here, and not A intersect B is this bit here, okay? So these bits here we know are the same, all right? We don't know what they are, but we know that they're the same. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to call these x, okay? Because in order to figure out the probability of A given B, which is exactly what we're trying to find, that's the purpose of this question, we're going to need to know what these are in order to do that. So we know that the union is 8 on 9, right? So all of these added together is 8 on 9. So that's where all of this comes in now. So what that means is that x plus 1 on 5 plus x, so all of these probabilities, is equal to our union, which is 8 on 9, okay? Now, we can just simply solve this in our CAS, and what we get is x is equal to 31 on 90, which means that this here is 31 on 90, and this here is also 31 on 90. Awesome. So now we can actually figure out our probability of A given B, right? Because what we need, probability of A given B, according to the formula, is the probability of A intersect B over the probability of B. Now the probability of B is this whole thing, right? And we couldn't figure that out without first figuring out x and figuring out that that's 31 on 90. So now we can just plug in our values. So we know that the probability of A intersect B is our middle part here, which is 1 on 5, over the probability of B, which is this total thing here, which is these two added together. So 1 on 5 plus 31 on 90. Awesome. Now I would just put this into my CAS, and what it'll spit out is 18 on 49, which is our answer D. So guys, D is our answer for MM366. If you have any questions about how we've created this Venn diagram or anything like that, please hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you for watching, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.